How to fix iPhone overheating issues. Let's get started. Get it out of the sun. Obvious but overlooked. Say it now. Don't leave it on your car dashboard, bed, or under a pillow. Then close the heat hugs. Double tap home button, swipe away heat apps, games, maps, video editing. Turn off background killers. For that, launch your settings, scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Head over to the option Location Services. Turn off for apps that don't need it. Then you can head back, click on the option General, navigate to the option Background App Refresh. Turn off for the most apps. Likewise, remove the case. Some thick cases trap heat. Take it off till the phone cools down. Then enable for the option Airplane Mode. This will let your device rest for a few minutes. Now update iOS. So click on General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, reset all settings. If it overheats daily for no reason, you can do that. Head back, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Likewise, head back, navigate to the option Battery. Then click on the option Battery Usage. Now here you're gonna find battery usage by app. Check out this list. Then you can avoid using the app that consume most battery. So these are some fixes for iPhone overheating issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.